So you're probably wondering why there's already snow on my board. I've been here since like 1:30. It's almost 6 o'clock right now. Did some riding off camera. Holy shit. This thing's dirty as hell. I did some riding off camera just for, just to warm up a little bit. Probably gonna send, I don't know if I want to send Snowbird today. The snow is just too slow today. I might chill over at Timbo, get some park laps in, and just have fun. And yeah, it's gonna be a good day today. Excuse me, sir. Are you cool if I go up with you?
Yeah,
right in person? What's up?
It's
Been riding. I saw you up there earlier, but I was talking to someone.
I saw some dude in purple jacket. I thought it was you. And I was like, oh, you got a red one
Nah,
now.
I mean, I still have the purple one, but it's just, I like the way this one fits better.
Yeah.
Getting some shots today?
Trying
Yeah.
to, man. I stayed up there. Just had it up in the air, and everybody's like,
Are you going to post that shot?
maybe. We'll
Yeah.
see. Depends how it turns out, I guess.
You should. You trying to go down this with me?
Yeah, that's cool.
Oh, it's deep a little bit. It's a little deep. I love when they regroom. It feels so good. I was going to go to the park for my video, but I got to hit this a few times. Damn, look at you. You waiting for me? All right, let me follow you into it. Oh my God. Dude, I absolutely sprayed myself.
What'd you do?
I sprayed myself, dude.
Oh, well, you don't even have goggles on.
Nah, I've been at the park, bro. I can't wear goggles over there. I can't see anything,
Yeah. Taco Bell.
I think I'll probably do one more of those, and then I'll head on over to the park. I don't know about you, but I'm gonna head over to the park.
Go over to the park, try
Yeah?
it out, man. I haven't been.
You should, dude. It's so fun.
I screwed my ankle up earlier this year. It's like kind of helped me back,
I feel you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Let's see if I can do this without falling off the chair.
Right. I kind of noticed that with the wrap, it kind of picks up snow a little bit.
Yeah.
I don't know.
It looks good, dude. It fooled me. I thought it was the actual top sheet.
Yeah. I thought about getting a custom one made through Gilson, but
Yeah.
we'll see.
Wait, Gilson does custom.
Full custom boards. You can do whatever you want, man.
I didn't know that.
Yeah.
That's
they're
pretty
like
cool.
$1,200 though.
Woo!
Up there. You can buy
Little
board
bit.
from them for like $5. But
You could buy depending on the board, you could buy like 3 for that
yeah,
price.
Yep.
A wrap is
Yeah.
a little
I
bit
paid
cheaper.
like $150 for the wrap. But
It was your buddy, right?
huh?
It was your buddy, right, for
I
the
did
wrap?
Arctic Effects.
Arctic
Yeah.
FX.
Yep. They do snowmobiles and stuff. They don't really do snowboards, but what I asked them to do is like, hey, I got a snowboard. This is how big it is. Just send me a sheet, a rectangle sheet.
Yeah.
And I'll put it on there, and then trimmed it out. And then all the logos are overlays. So they're just stuck on top. That way nothing was out of a line or anything.
That's cool.
But I had the design all custom made.
Yeah, that looks sick, dude.
Yeah. But it's chipping a little on the edges, but it's either
What
that
can
or
you
the
do?
board. So.
Yeah. Mine, I don't think I posted it.
Yeah.
I sent the nose of my board into a box at Timberline,
Yeah.
and it ripped up the top sheet, dude. I was so mad at myself, but hey, it happens.
Yep.
You want to follow me into it?
That's cool.
All right. Whoa! Woo-hoo! Oh my God! Bro, please tell me you got that.
I think I got it. You almost caught your back edge up there. That would have been crazy.
Oh, dude, I was like,
That would have hurt so bad.
dude, that was almost so bad. I was trying to show off and shit, bro.
You get easy with it though.
Thank you. Dude, I'm telling you, bro, the board helps.
That's cool. I've only had that happen maybe 3 times this whole season.
You trying to go over to Timbo?
That's cool.
All right.
I want to try and hit some boxes. I've never hit them, but
There's a coffin over there. It's just a ride on. It's really nice.
Yeah.
I'll show you
I
around.
thought about trying it, but
So this one right here up at the top is super easy. This one right here up at the top, this rail, it's just a ride on. What I do, I've been taking this line like all day. It's so fun. I'll go around this rail, and then before this waterfall right here, I'll go to the left and drop off right there, where you see all those markings going left in the snow.
on top here, okay.
Yeah, and then I'll just go down, hit the rainbow rail, and then hit the coffin, and then you can follow me into it if you want.
That's cool. I might go around and check it out first.
Okay.
I might go follow you.
All right.
Film or something.
Man down. Oh shit. You trying to go to the rope?
That's cool.
All right.
Very good at them. We'll try it.
Oh,
Yeah, I slipped out on that coffin.
I saw. What you thinking?
Might roll through it again.
Yeah?
We'll see. I'm judging your speed and stuff. I think I hit that coffin a little too slow.
Yeah, I couldn't go that fast on it either because there was like kids in front of me and shit.
Right?
I'm thinking I'm gonna hit this waterfall,
Okay.
big jump, and then you see that that launch rail right after the big jump that goes up like that?
Yeah.
I'm gonna go to the right of it and then go down to the right and then hit that hockey puck thing sticking out of the ground.
That's cool.
All right. Oh, I'm way too slow. Oh. Where did Hunter go? Oh, there he is. He's at the bottom of the rope. You down for another lap?
Fire though.
Yeah, that tow rope definitely doesn't help either. I don't know what I want to hit.
Right?
I think I want to go off this ledge right here again.
Yeah, that's what I went last in the second one. There's so many people right here.
It's him.
Right here.
Did you lose your pass or something? Oh shit. Yeah, go get that pass, bro. That's not good. Oh my gosh, it's so busy. I think he went back to the chair.
Hey,
I do not see him. Oh, I see him. He's coming up.
You didn't want to come. What? Nathan. He literally jumped the big jump and he only has to go. Then I told him, hey, you want to follow me in some things that you can actually hit? You want to follow me into some things that you can actually hit? Simple, we'll go slow. Just see it first and then you'll go. I know.
Man, his front foot's definitely getting tired. Mine is too.
Hey, where you going, Benny?
Wait, that's literally the exact same haircut here.
Yeah, put the pass back on.
He's the exact same haircut as yours.
Yeah, my foot's killing me from that rope, dude. I'm probably gonna go back to the chair, all right?
Baby girl.
All right, it's good seeing you, bro. I'll see you around, all right?
It's a ride on.
Let's do an indie grab off this jump. Oh my god, I stomped the fuck out of that. Oh my goodness. Thank you. How's your ankle doing?
It's doing better.
That's good.
If I just take my foot out for a little bit, it feels a lot better. That rope puts it in a weird angle.
Yeah. Is it your right foot or your left foot? Both?
So my left one was the one I did this year, and my right one I did like 2 years ago.
Damn.
Playing basketball.
I'd imagine, yeah.
Thought I'm gonna roll in on this thing.
On what? Oh, this rail? I would, bro. It's fun. Holy shit. You see that?
Yeah, they're doing that like crazy.
You just fucking gapped that to the left.
I can't imagine going short on that.
Yeah, that would suck. I wonder where you have to start to get that much air.
Oh yeah, he started from here and just pumped that shit all the way.
Damn. Wait, does he go up the side of the tube or up the side of the lip off of the snow?
He starts from there, literally doesn't stop, pumps it, and then pumps that down and then into the hit the side and then out.
That's crazy.
I could barely get enough speed yesterday. It's
Dude.
crazy. Holy crap, you're the embodiment of Mountain Dew.
I want to stay up here and watch that kid do that again. Jump from this waterfall all the way down to that drop off right there.
He wants you to try it. I don't want to.
I wouldn't, bro.
You do it.
That's so sketchy.
You do it. Oh no, the face comes out. I want to Tokyo drift up the octagon rail. It's so
The
fun.
octagon
I do it all
rail?
the time.
The-
All right.
oh,
Dash
the
flat bar.
the battleship?
Yeah, battleship rail.
Oh, okay.
It's super fun. Oh, I do that too. You just like slide up it and then jump to the front side.
I want to try. You know the battleship box?
Yeah.
I've been gapping that, like the middle part, all day. It's so much fun. I've wanted to do it on the battleship rail, but it's like so sketchy, dude.
Oh yeah, because you gotta keep your balance.
Yes, bro.
I don't know how it is on a snowboard because I've never tried it.
It's hard. I've tried it one time and I haven't tried it since. I fucked it up.
Yeah.
Are you the same guy that had that purple and white jacket?
Yeah.
I feel bad. I forgot your name, dude.
Yeah.
What's up, dude?
What's up, dude? How are you?
I'm doing good, man. Can't complain. What you hitting today?
Huh?
What you hitting today?
Want some transfers over.
We're just messing with these little transfers. The one to the right. That thing's pretty big. It's got like a
The one
gnarly
to the
lip.
left
The one
is-
to the left. I like that one to the left the best. It's
No,
so.
that one is. That
No, I'm
one's
talking
way
about this
too
one.
heavy.
The other one to the left.
Yeah, the one on the left where you're jumping in the
That
left,
one's way better. It's so much easier.
That one's off. The one on the right's easier.
No, it is not. The one on the right is more fucking up.
Let's hit the left one, bro.
I have no idea what you guys are talking about.
So here, I'm about to hit this one. The one on.
Can I follow you into it? Wait, so was it Dylan?
Yeah.
Dylan and then
He left?
Connor?
Alberto.
Alberta?
Phillips.
Liam.
Huh?
Phillips.
No.
Oh yeah. Did you see that way?
I need a- yeah,
coming
Phillips. You
that
got a
way.
Phillips?
Wait, I'm sorry, what?
Did you see? Did you follow me in on that?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah.
Who got
I cased it just like a little bit.
Yeah, you just gotta like, it's just figuring out the
Thank you,
card and
dog.
like hopping
My
into
shit,
like,
I don't know why it's
pumping into
doing
that first
this,
one.
bro.
Then once you get the speed, it feels so good.
Yeah.
So
It did feel pretty good. That was my first time hitting it from the left like that.
Okay.
I've only been doing like straight airs from the middle.
Yeah, the left is so much fun.
Dude, it is.
Yeah, you just put it back next to the bag when you're done. All right, thank you.
Have you been to Snowbird yet today?
No, I don't think they've had it open for real.
It's been open.
Huh?
The road's been open. Yeah.
Bro, this shit is
It,
about to come
the snow earlier, I was trying to hit it.
It's been kind of slow today, honestly.
Yeah, I was trying to hit it earlier from the first jump, just straight lining it to the second one. I could not get enough speed for it, bro.
Yeah, when I hit that second one time, I didn't have enough speed. Dude, it damn near almost ended my life.
Jesus.
I cased and just my whole body.
Bro, I cased the one on the left
I
the first
exploded.
time.
It was
I
horrible. I'm
followed
like,
you in.
My first time hitting it, I cased it like a motherfucker, and my body literally compressed and then bounced back up, and I caught more air, dude.
Yeah,
It was
yeah,
terrifying.
I did that, and then I fucking stood on my stomach. I was like, oh. It hurt, dude.
Yeah, I heard snowboarding.
I'm about to hit that line again.
All right. Can
He's coming right now. Oh, he's at small port. All right.
Are you following him in?
Yeah.
All right.
Like, look at this shit, dog.
Yo, I know.
What the?
Come on.
With loose bindings is crazy.
Are we going?
Holy shit. Dude, that was fucking wild, bro. That was wild, dude. Dylan, you gonna hit that same transfer again?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I'll do it. Which way? The tuba deck? We're going left?
Yeah.
Left side? Left side all the way over? And then
Not all the way, but you know.
tuba deck?
Bro, Dylan was saying gap over the tuba depth from the
I love the tuba deck.
We're gonna gap over the tuba deck.
What's the tuba depth? The waterfall up here?
No, follow it.
my God, yo! Bro, that was crazy! Bro, that was my first time hitting that shit. That's crazy, bro. Dude, it's so fun. Holy crap.
Float over it. It's like you can go slower, you get a pot more, or if you go fast, you just float over it.
Bro. Oh my God, bro. Whew.
We were pissed off that it's a feature we couldn't hit. There's nothing that we really want to do on it.
Yeah.
We're like, F it, let's just jump over it.
Oh, dude.
It's an adrenaline rush. Bro, I am like,
That was fucking crazy,
tail
dude.
grab, I'm looking at the bottom.
Hunter, did you see that shit? Did you see the line that we took? Yeah. Bro.
That was crazy.
Oh my God, that's crazy, dude.
Yeah. That's such a fun line.
Dude.
You think it's gonna be like way too far. And then you do it, you're like, what the f? So chill. I mean, that was a good one.
Dude.
I did a nice fucking clean method behind you.
Yeah, but did you method it?
Yeah, right behind you. As I'm in the air looking at your lit up board from a flash from a kid down there, I literally, your board was lit up. I'm looking at it just like.
Yeah, I'm about to do that same line again and hit that two, or I don't know if I want to jump the tube or if I want to do like the little fast grind. I'm going to jump it again. I wish I could 188.
Dude, that was crazy. I'm trying to follow you into that again. That's crazy.
Want me to go first? Ready?
Wow. Oh, I'm not going to have enough speed for that. Damn.
That hurt?
Actually, not that bad.
Probably because you cleared it.
Yeah.
You came up short, it probably would have hurt a lot more.
Yeah.
Oh, you came up short on it?
No, I didn't. He was saying if I did, it would have hurt.
Oh,
Yeah.
I don't even know what I did, dude. Honestly, I think I kept my knees straight.
Birdo cased it pretty good earlier.
I gotta throw like an indie grab in there or something, so that way I'm not flying around and shit.
I do a tail grab. That's my go-to. I fucking grab it and just.
My fucking safe grab is a method.
That's crazy.
Which one's the method?
The back.
Go back, dude.
Just like bent back. That's my go-to.
That's the craziest go-to.
Ready?
Yeah, I'm gonna follow you again.
Oh my God. Fuck, man. Bro, I fucked it up again.
Good?
Yeah, I'm good. I don't know why I keep eating it on that.
You land super back. See, you gotta force your weight kind of forward, but not too forward.
I think you're right.
What? On the transfer, he's following us. Because I'm landing when I hit grab. Yeah, going that way. Because you kind of
It
land
looks
on
like
your
it's
back
like bucking you forward,
I mean, it's a
but
little-
you're also lean. As soon as it bucks you, you start leaning backwards.
Yeah.
So it's like nose forward, and then you're like.
Are you
going
going
to the
straight
right.
to back on that thing?
I'm going.
What do you
off-
mean?
I'm taking off.
No,
on
are
my
you like
toe
landing
side,
on your
too.
back?
Like I'm digging in.
No. I would when I landed that one time.
Into that fucking first knuckle.
I landed on my my tail, and then because of that, I just kind of like but fall back on my butt.
You like fell backwards.
Just try to keep your weight forward.
Okay. 4 people. Let's do this. Yeah, dude. I got it that time. I don't even know what that means.
Like I grabbed my board with both of my hands and I gripped it up.
Oh, fuck yeah, dude.
The whole liner's gone.
No way.
This is a brand new board.
I had this weak ass double grab, bro.
Did you see that, Connor?
Same thing. Where'd you go, dog? You're high as fuck out here, bro. You're high as big.
That looks so sick from up here.
Ready?
Oh, yeah, dude. Oh, yeah, dude. Nice.
Wasn't bad.
Yeah, that one was pretty good, dude. Oh, shit. Sorry, dude. My bad, bro. Sorry, but did I get your board?
No, you're good.
Okay. That's my fault, bro. Sorry. Hey, good ride with you guys. I'm going to go back to the chair.
Hell yeah, dude. You too, man. We shit on fucking sending that fucking gap with it.
Yeah, bro. That's fun as hell, dude.
Fun, isn't it?
All right. I'm gonna hit it from the middle. Go off that waterfall up top. See you guys around. Ah, shit. That tube is so sticky, dude. I lose like all my speed on it. Oh, that was crazy. Those laps were fun.
Max, Murray wants it to be the last time.
Ankle hurting you again?
A little bit.
A little bit?
I just hit the ride on and then I hit the end of that hill. I overshot it, bro.
Really?
Yeah. Like big
Wait,
time.
are you talking about the big jump?
Yeah, but far right, so it's the small side.
To the right of the barrel?
Yeah, like the very end of it. And I was like, well, this is too fast. And I was like, it was too late to check up. And I was just like stretched out in the air. I'm like, this is gonna suck.
That's all right. At least you're good.
Yeah. I'm kind of glad I'm hitting this rail. I haven't hit rails in a long time.
It's fun, isn't it?
Yeah.
And it's just a ride on too, so it's just like you literally, instead of going straight on snow, you're going straight onto a rail. It's easy.
Yep.
Oh man. You can see why I don't wear goggles in the park.
Yeah, I agree.
It's just,
It's not like windy or anything.
yeah. Some people, they wear safety glasses.
Yeah, I've seen that. That's a good idea. Probably don't fog up very easy. They're open, you know.
Mm.
Shit, jumping over the dog.
You guys do the transfer again?
They've been hitting
I
it
jumped
over and
over
over
someone.
Are you for real?
Yeah, he stood up and I was just like, what?
Probably got it. I just wasn't paying attention. To the right of the barrel?
Yeah, like the very end of it. And I was like, well, this is too.
I'm about to do the snake, all right? We're about to do a snake line.
Are you f***ing kidding me? There's no way, bro. Oh, yeah, bro. Oh, yeah. Dude, this line feels so good. It's getting kind of old, though. I've done it like a million times. Woo! All right, I think I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna do that transfer. Shit, I don't have enough speed. I don't think. Maybe I'll just hit the big jump. Full speed. Thank you. God, the park is just, it's immaculate today. I mean, I'm sorry. The park is good, but the people are even better. Man, it's been a pretty fun day. I really don't want it to end yet. And it's not going to. I'm gonna keep riding. This is not the end of the video. I'm gonna try hitting snowbird before the night ends. Uh-oh. Oh my God. Oh God. That motherfucker hurt. Holy crap. I cased the absolute shit out of that jump. I'm surprised I didn't shatter my legs. I mean, holy crap. All right, I'm probably gonna head out of here. I cased that second one way too hard, so my leg's starting to kind of hurt. I'm probably gonna take off after this one. We go up the knuckle. Do a little. Thank you. Alright guys, that's going to be it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching it half as much as I enjoyed making it. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, that's going to be it for today's video, guys. See ya.